Hello guys! Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to hold a review another sexy lingerie from Lazada. So without further ado, let's begin. This is my new collection for today. Wow! Tong panty. Lilac or violet. Look at this. This is a tong panty. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang wow, ang ganda. Nice. Tingnan natin yung quality ng tahi niya. Tingnan mo naman yan, ang ganda-ganda. Wow na wow. Ang ganda ng kanyang sewing. This is 96% cotton and 5% spandex, kaya pala. So malamig po ito sa balat. Look at this. Napakaganda ng tahi niya. This is a tong panty. And this is a tiny crotch. So ito lang yung mag-aano sa body natin. Yan. Napakaganda. 2 thumbs up po ang ating quality dito. Yung kanyang material, cotton. Very cool. Yung stretch niya, firm na firm. Ang ganda ng style. Lalo dito sa kanyang lace na naka-design. This is violet color. Look at this. It's so nice and beautiful. So sexy. And this is a back view. Maganda po ito. Alam mo, nabili ko lang ito ng 50 pesos. Dalawa po siya, so 100. Ayan o. Ganda talaga. So kung i-rate natin ito ng 1 to 10, bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10 because this is so sexy and beautiful style, and also the material, hindi kayo magsisisi. Doon sa mga may almo, sorry na lang, hindi na naman pwede ito dahil ito ay tong panty, pero sa style, cotton ang kanyang material, the sewing, the lace ay napakaganda. Perfect. Bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10 dahil ito ay napakagandang lingerie panty. So, that is for today for our sexy, tiny, lilac tong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!